Welcome. The first time that I started to use computers, the remarkable thing for me was that it gave me complete control over an environment. And that was incredibly fascinating, was that, I could basically be the commander of everything that was going on inside of the program. And if the program actually had a bug, then things would go wrong. And if the program worked right, then everything would go correctly. And I think that immense amount, the feeling of power that you got as a programmer was the first thing that really got me excited by it.
Running your own PC, as everyone learns after a while, requires a lot of work keeping it in shape. The software, you have to install the software, you have to fix it when it breaks, you have to reboot it all the time if it's Windows that you run. So that is a burden. Anything that tries to wrest control from the people tends to lose in the long run. People like to have control over what they use. It's odd because control involves a lot of work. As I said, when you have a PC, there's a lot of work to maintain the PC. But you like the fact that nobody tells you what program you will put on your PC.
L'ordinateur, tu y reviens très facilement, c'est quelque chose de perso, tu y reviens tout seul le soir chez toi. Donc c'est un outil, quand tu es dans ta chambre, tu peux le lire, mais quand tu lis, tu fais que prendre. Si tu as des dons, tu peux peindre, etc. Mais l'ordinateur, c'est un endroit facile pour cramer du temps en faisant des choses qui peuvent être plus ou moins constructives. Donc parce que c'est un outil de dingue. Et une fois que tu mets le pied là-dedans, que tu fais ta première install Linux, c'est le BSY 95-96, c'est bon, t'es bouffé quoi. Parce que quand tu installes Windows, c'est super Windows, mais Windows, ça ne te pousse pas à apprendre, ça te pousse à utiliser. Faire une install Linux, tu es obligé d'apprendre. T'es là pour apprendre.
Open source is one of the most interesting cultural phenomena of our day, but it's important to understand what we mean by this. Open source specifically comes out of the software industry, where it's a question of open collaboration, where you're collectively working on a project and that project improves over time.